In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted tasks in Asana. If you've ever accidentally deleted a task or just want to revisit something you thought was gone for good, this guide is going to be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Asana and head over to the project where you suspect a task has been deleted. It's important to start here because Asana organizes its tasks within specific projects, and knowing where to look can save you a lot of time. Once you're in the right project, look towards the top of your screen and locate the search icon. Clicking this will open up the search functionality of Asana, which is a powerful tool for finding tasks, projects, and more. Next, you'll see a three-dot icon, often referred to as More Options. This is your gateway to advanced search features. Click on it to reveal more options that will allow you to fine-tune your search. Now, you'll want to select Go to Advanced Search. This option might be tucked away, but it's essential for narrowing down your search to specific criteria, such as finding deleted tasks. After you enter the Advanced Search menu, look for the Status option. Clicking on this will allow you to filter tasks by their current state. Asana has several statuses, but for today's purpose, we're interested in one particular status. Select Deleted from the list of statuses. This will filter your search results to only show tasks that have been marked as deleted. It's a simple but effective way to see everything that has been removed, giving you a chance to review or restore them if necessary. Now that you've got the right filter set up, go ahead and click on Search. Asana will then generate a list of tasks that fit your criteria. If your deleted task is still recoverable, you'll find it here. Remember, finding deleted tasks can be a lifesaver, especially in collaborative environments where tasks might be deleted unintentionally. Keeping a regular check on deleted tasks can help maintain the integrity of your projects and ensure that nothing important goes missing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily locate deleted tasks in Asana. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your project management tools. See you next time!